Fox News alert. The Fox News Decision Desk projecting that Democrat Senator Catherine Cortez Masto will keep her seat in Nevada, defeating Republican challenger Adam Laxalt.
Catherine Cortez Masto, she was behind Adam Laxalt, the Republican nominee for the Senate in Nevada here. About 23,000 votes came in, and the advantage that went to Cortez Masto was more than 5,800 votes. So that propels her pretty much to victory here and means that she will be kind of the deciding vote here at the United States Senate, or at least propel the Democrats to the majority. The reason this is important is that it's going to be at minimum a 50-50 Senate, which is what we've been having here so far. So even if Democrats lose the runoff in early December in Georgia between Herschel Walker and Senator Raphael Warnock, guess what? It's still 50-50. They could go to 51-49. The reason is that you have Vice President Harris, who can potentially break ties there.
Fox's Chad Pergram. President Biden oversees a trip underway in Cambodia. Fox's Kevin Uretsky with more.
The president addressed the Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit in Cambodia Saturday, pledging that the group of countries is key to his policy goals for the region.
Together, we will tackle the biggest issues of our time, from climate to health security, defend against the significant threats of rule-based order, and to threats to the rule of law.
As an example of the commitment, the president cited the $250 million pledged by his administration over the last several years to the ASEAN nations. The president will meet with the leaders of South Korea and Japan Sunday before heading to Bali for the G20 summit.
And that is Fox's Kevin Uretsky. And two vintage World War II planes crashing at an air show in Dallas. Not yet known how many people were aboard those planes. Video making the rounds on social media on Saturday that looked horrific. America's listening to Fox News.
From the Fox News Podcasts Network. In these ever-changing times, you can rely on Fox News for hourly updates for the very latest news and information on your time. Listen and download now at foxnewspodcast.com or wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Fox News headlines 24/7. Sirius XM channel 115. Every 15 minutes, news, sports, business, weather, and what's trending. The latest headlines continue right now.
Fox News headlines 24/7. Well, Russia says it's withdrawing troops from a key port city.
The president addressed the association.
There is joy in the southern Ukrainian city of Kherson, but still some tough times ahead. After 8 months of Russian occupation, residents experienced their first full day without Moscow in charge. Still giddy with freedom, locals were out waving flags, hugging newly arrived Ukrainian troops, singing patriotic songs. Kyiv moving fast to stabilize things. Police arriving, power, water, food, medicine, communications either being rushed in or repaired. Russian troops left the city and region, making their way on a makeshift bridge across a nearby river. The other bridge is blown up. The latest reports say some Russian soldiers remain in the area, clashing with Ukrainian forces or trying to blend in.
And that is Fox's Greg Palka there reporting. Well, as we continue here on this Sunday morning, Britain going to pause for a 2-minute silence today to remember the nation's war dead. It'll be the first time King Charles III will lead a Remembrance Day service as monarch. Charles and other royals and senior politicians will lay wreaths in central London to pay tribute to the sacrifices made by fallen servicemen and women. Albanian opposition supporters are protesting the country's cost of living crisis, which they blame on the center-left government. The protests began peacefully, but at the end, some cross-sprayed camp hero by the county